Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to send files from your Google Pixel 11 Pro to your iPhone using Quick Share. So to do that, we're gonna have to swipe down the control center on our iPhone and enable the AirDrop. Let's enable AirDrop from everyone by swiping down the control center and turning the AirDrop on right here. And let's enable the Quick Share on our Google Pixel in the very same way. And now let's select the file that we want to send to our iPhone. Okay. Now let's select Share. And now let's select Quick Share. Okay, and now let's make sure that our iPhone has the AirDrop enabled. And let's select the iPhone from the list. Then we're gonna have to accept the file on our iPhone and wait until it's sent. And here we have it. So that's how easy it is right now. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.